Dolphins and porpoises can both be found in oceans all over the world, and both are in the same family of animals, which includes 40 other species. These ocean animals look similar, but they are very different types of creatures. Porpoises are smaller than dolphins and are rounder in shape. They have rounded heads and short noses. Porpoises do not grow longer than 6 feet in length and weigh less than 300 pounds. The teeth of porpoises are blunt and do not have sharp points like the teeth of dolphins. Porpoises travel in small groups of 2 to 4. Dolphins are much larger and have a more elongated shape than porpoises. Dolphins grow between 6 feet and 26 feet in length and weigh between 70 and 1,500 pounds. They have sharp teeth and long noses. Dolphins travel in sizable groups called pods, with 2 to more than 100 members. Most commonly seen off the coast of North Carolina is the bottlenose dolphin. This smaller dolphin generally swims close to the shore in groups of 2 to 12. The bottlenose dolphin is light colored on the belly and dark colored on the back. This special coloring is called an adaptation, and it helps keep the dolphin safe from other animals. Dolphins and porpoises are sometimes hunted or accidentally caught by fishermen. Because the number of dolphins and porpoises have declined, these animals are protected and have been placed on a list of protected species. This means that people are asked to pay special attention to keeping dolphins and porpoises safe from harm. So if we want to now look at so we want to look firstly at their size. If we look here, we see porpoises do not grow longer than 6 feet in length. Here we have dolphins grow between 6 feet and 26 feet in length, right? So we look at their size. Let us look at their weight. So we continue with the sentence here. Porpoises do not grow longer than 6 feet in length. They weigh less than 300 pounds. The dolphins are much larger. They weigh between 700 to 1,500 pounds. So porpoises are smaller than dolphins. Dolphins are larger. Porpoises are more rounded in shape. Dolphins have a more elongated shape. All right. So here we are comparing, looking at them for similarities, for differences. Compare and contrast. What is similar about them? Dolphins and porpoises can both be found in oceans all over the world. Right? They can be found in oceans all over the world. That's something that's similar about both of them. And when we start to look at their characteristics, we see that they're a bit different from each other. How do they travel? Porpoises travel in groups of 2 to 4. Dolphins travel in pods with 2 to 100 members. All right, so I'm helping you out here. We're highlighting because when you talk about compare and contrast, you must have 2 points for each compare, contrast, for each comparison made. All right, because you have 2 things you're talking about. So you can't just say porpoises are smaller. you won't be answering the question properly. You will not get the full mark. You must give the 2 points. Porpoises are smaller, dolphins are larger. Porpoises are rounder in shape, dolphins are more elongated in shape. So I'm putting in the colors so that when you go to your exercise of doing your comparison, you will have an idea. And remember that you must always have 2 points, one for each of the items that is being compared. All right. So we heard here also they're talking about teeth. The teeth of porpoises are blunt, right? That means they are not very sharp at all. We have to get some more colors here. All right, we've run out of nice colors to use. So we're going to just be able to put them in different types of colors like that. Can't highlight. And if we look for the dolphins, dolphins have sharp teeth. Okay, sharp teeth. Right. Now, if we look here, something that's similar, they are most commonly seen off the coast of North Carolina. So you'll have some dolphins and porpoises there. Dolphins and porpoises are sometimes hunted or accidentally caught by fishermen. So here we have something else that's similar about them. You can put that in the same red, right? So similarities, both of them having these same characteristics. And here we have both of them having different characteristics. Okay, so dolphins and porpoises, although they are similar, they belong to the same family. When you look at them to compare them, there are many differences. So what we are going to do is create a table, porpoises, dolphin, and under each side of the table, we are going to record